Hi children, today we are going to look at lots of sentences and in every sentence we'll be using is. Using is in every sentence. And remember, we are going to do a lot of reading. Let's look at our first sentence with use of is in that sentence. Look carefully at that, okay? Look. See what we have here. Have you seen this? Where do you have this? In the school, in your house. What is it? Clock. Wall clock. Let's read the sentence and look carefully at the use of is. What is this? This is a clock. Put your finger and read. What is this? This is a clock. Beginning of the capital, ending with the full stop. The full sentence and the use of is in it. This is a clock. Can you read the sentence? Good. Let's look at another picture and read the sentence. Look what we have here. It's a toy car. Yes. What is this? This is a car. Do you have a car like that in your toy box? Yes. What is this? This is a car. You're learning to read the sentence. Use of is in the sentence. Let's take a new picture. Yes. Look what you have here. Do you have this one? Where do you see this? In the playground, at the park? Yes. What is this? This is a slide. You climb up and you sit there. And then what do? You put your hands up and down you slide. What do you feel? So happy. Look at the sentence. Read carefully. This is a slide. What is this? This is a slide. Use of is in the sentence. Let's look at a new picture. See what you have. Have you seen this? Bell, yes. In the puja room. You'll find this in the school when the current goes off. What is this? This is a bell. What do you do with the bell? You ring the bell. You ring the bell. Yes. This is a bell. Good. Is in the sentence. Read the full sentence. This is a bell. Let's go to our next sentence. Good. Let's look here. Look at the lovely picture of a fish tank. Beautiful fish tank, and you'll find tiny fishes all swimming all about. What is this? This is a fish tank. What do you put in the fish tank? Water, weeds, and fish. Read with is in the sentence. This is a fish tank. Good. Let's go to a new picture now. Are you learning to read sentences with using is in the sentence? Look at the lovely picture you have. What is this? You find this you can either see this in your house or in the lawn or in a park. What is this? This is a swing. What do you do with that? You sit on it and you go up and down. What does the swing do? Swing goes up and down. What is this? This is a swing. Look at the sentence with use of is in it. Good. Shall we go to another new sentence? Good. Here we are. Have you seen a mug like this in your house? Must be having different kind of colored mugs. Plastic, ceramic, or metal, anything. What is this? This is a mug. What do you use the mug for? Drinking milk, drinking water, juice. Read. This is a mug. Use of is in the sentence. Let's take another picture. Shall we? Look. What picture is this? What do you use this for? Either to sleep or to you put on the sofa, or if you're too short, you put it on the chair. Yes, it's a cushion to raise it up or to make you feel comfortable. What is this? This is a cushion. Cushion is like a pillow, but it's a different shape. Yes, what is this? This is a cushion. Grandmas use cushion on the chair, on the sofa. Yes? Good. Let's get on with the new picture. Look what we have here. Have you seen this? Where do you see this? In your school, on the road, in the garden. What is this? This is a tree. What is this? Read the sentence. This is a tree. Use of is in the sentence. This is a tree. Good. Let's get on. Let's take a new picture. What do you use this for? Do you have one like this? Yes, for writing. You write with your pencil. What is this? This is a pencil. Read again. What is this? This is a pencil. You use pencil to write. Yes? And when you make a mistake, you rub it off. The sentence using is in it. This is a pencil. Good. Are you learning to read now? And the use of is in it? Let's go on to a new picture. Look what we have here. What is this? Plate. You eat in this plate, yes? Yes. What is this? This is a plate. What is this? This is a plate. You put things in it and eat. You can have your lunch, breakfast in it. Yes? And full flowers on the plate. So beautiful. Look at the sentence with is in it. What is this? This is a plate. Good. Let's go to a new sentence now. And look at the use of is in the sentence. Do you have one like this? Yeah. What is this? A hat. When you go on a sunny day, when you go outside with daddy on the bike, you put the hat on your head. What is this? This is a hat. This is a hat. Use of is in the sentence. Good. Let's go to a new picture. See what you have here. You have this. Have you seen this in your garden? The school garden. Lovely, beautiful, golden sunflower. This big flower. Okay, what is this? This is a flower. Where do you find flowers? In the garden. What is this? This is a flower. Use of is in a sentence. Good. Now you're learning to read easily. Let's take a new picture. See what we have here. Where do you have this? In your garden. Sometimes this is kept inside the house, on the table. What is this? This is a plant. You can keep a plant inside the house. You can keep a plant outside your house. Yes? This is a plant. Use of is in the sentence. This is a plant. Good. Let's take a new sentence and see the use of is in that sentence. Look what we have. What is this? Where do you get this kind of things from? From birds, yes. Who has this? Birds. Sometimes you might find one Black one around your house from the crow. What is this? A feather that comes out. Birds have feathers. What is this? This is a feather. Birds have feathers. When it falls and you see, you collect them. Birds have feathers. What is this? This is a feather. Use of is in the sentence. Very good.